This is the plan everyone loves, and it's easy to see why. Thoughtfully designed with the perfect amount of space, this gorgeous 2-bedroom, 2-bath home also features a dedicated office, giving you everything you need without more house than you want. The bright open floor plan makes everyday living effortless, while custom lighting and mirrors throughout add personality and an elevated designer touch. The kitchen flows beautifully into the dining and living areas, creating a space that feels open, inviting, and perfect for entertaining. Step outside to the gorgeous screened-in private back porch, an ideal spot for morning coffee, afternoon cocktails, or simply enjoying the peaceful surroundings year-round. With comfortable main-level living, a private guest suite, dedicated office, and beautifully finished spaces throughout, this home truly is the perfect size for two while still offering plenty of room for guests. Located in the gated 55-plus community of Webb at Lake Oconee, residents enjoy an incredible active adult lifestyle with direct access to Lake Oconee, a private boat ramp and docks, indoor and outdoor pools, fitness center, pickleball, tennis, walking trails, dog park, lakeside pavilion, clubhouse.